Today I have a different group of guys here starting to make the trenches near the caisson holes because they need to put dowels sticking out of the caisson cages before they pour the cement. Look at these giant roots they had to saw through when they were digging. Also, they had to go through the cement of our existing footing. I did build some pretty nifty circular wooden covers for the caisson holes, which I can show you, to prevent dirt from going down into them while they were digging the trenches right next to the holes. So I'm actually in the trench right now. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's my wooden cover. Very proud of it. With the trenches being dug, it's starting to feel like an actual foundation. You can see where the walls are gonna be. Look at all this dirt though. Gigantic mound of dirt. What are we gonna do with all that dirt? The guy just left who installed the dowels, and I can show you what they look like here. There they are, sticking out of the caisson. They'd be just sticking out in the dirt if they didn't dig these trenches nearby. Now, they obviously dug a lot more than they needed to, but, you know, that's what they wanted to do. That's why they make the big bucks, I guess, because they do more than they need to do. They would have to dig that eventually anyways, so I'm just being a silly guy. What did we learn today? When you're digging a caisson hole, you need to attach dowels because the caisson needs to somehow attach to the grade beams above it. You can't just have a caisson there and not attach to anything. You actually have to have dowels coming out of it. A dowel is a kind of a bar that is shaped like an L. I'm looking it up on dictionary.com right now, my online source for word definitions. Dowel bars are short steel bars that provide a mechanical connection between slabs without restricting horizontal joint movement. They increase load transfer efficiency by allowing the lead slab to assume some of the load before the load is actually over it. That makes sense.